episode number 10. We're learning the compound vowels in the Chinese Pinyin system. I'm Jack, Kuan. So far, we learned I, ow, yeah, oh, wah, war, and way. I guess I don't have enough oxygen. Today, we're going to learn 4 more compound final vowels. They are yeah, a, yue, and you. Did you hear something's not right? Let me read them again. Yeah, a, yue, and you. You might ask, isn't the alphabet E pronounced as You're right. When the alphabet E is a simple vowel by itself, it's pronounced as But when the alphabet E is used in the compound vowels, it's pronounced as So, these compound vowels will be pronounced as yeah, a, and yeah. I know there's no logic in it. It got me confused when I first learned them as well. I guess we just have to follow the rule. You know what? Let's go ahead and practice. Soon, you'll remember them. First, let's learn how to pronounce yeah. Max, could you please help? Yeah is a compound vowel composed of E and E, pronounced as yeah.
I'm out of battery. Jack, back to you, please.
Oh, Max, how come you didn't charge yourself last night? Okay, I'll take over.
E, yeah, E, yeah.
The 4 tones are yeah, 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 yeah. I've picked some consonants to go with yeah. Let's take a look. T, yeah, tie, t, yeah, tie, 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 锅贴, fried dumpling. 贴, 锅贴, fried dumpling. 铁，铁，地铁 subway. 铁，地铁，地铁 subway. 耶，歇，耶，歇，鞋，鞋 shoes. 鞋，鞋 shoes, shoes. 谢，谢谢，谢谢 thanks. 谢谢，谢谢 thanks. is a compound vowel composed of e and e, pronounced as a. Again, e, e, a, e, e, a. The four tones are a, 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 a. Let's do more practice. L, a, lay, l, a, lay, 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 thunder, lay, lay, thunder, thunder. Lay, lay, tear, lay, lay, tear, tear. F, a, fay, f, a, fay, 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 fly, fay, fay, fly, fly. Fay, fay, lung, fay, fay, lung, lung. Do you like my channel? Please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. 约 is a compound vowel composed of u and e, pronounced as yue. Again, yu, e, yue, yu, e, yue. The four tones are yue, 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 yue. I pick two consonants to work with it. I, yue, yue, I, yue, 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 yue. Moon, yue, yue, moon, moon. Yue, yue, 纽约 New York. 约，纽约 New York. 约，薛，约，薛，学，学，学习 learn. 学，学习 learn. 雪， 雪 snow 雪 snow snow A lot of people say they couldn't find the simple vowel y on the keyboard. It's my bad that I didn't mention it when we learned the simple vowels before. Let me show you how. You could use the keystroke V or U to type out y. For instance, the word we just learned, snow, 雪. You could type either XVE or XUE. Then the Chinese character 雪 will show up in the selection bar. In some children's books that have pinyin attached to Chinese text, the two dots above y are usually omitted. Now, let's go on to the next compound vowel. U is a compound vowel composed of E and U, pronounced as U. Again, E, U, U, E, U, U. The four tones are U, 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 U. Let's practice as usual. N, U, new, N, U, new, 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 cow, new, new, cow, cow. Niu, niu, niu kou, button. Niu, niu kou, button. Q, you, qiu, Q, you, qiu, 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 autumn. Qiu, qiu, autumn, autumn. Qiu, qiu, ball. Qiu, qiu, ball, ball. Okay. Yeah, A, U are the four compound vowels we've learned today. It's a fun day, isn't it? Until next time, see you!